Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable system information notifications on BTCC account. So first we're going to go to the BTCC app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the three lines on the top left corner of the app. Then again, you're going to click on settings on the top right corner. Then as you guys can see, there's the app notification section. You're going to click on it. So system information is turned off, so you're going to turn it on. So from now on, you're going to receive notifications about any system information that's being sent to your account. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store. It's such a helpful cryptocurrency and trading app, so make sure you download it. It's very helpful. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure you check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.